nna ka o tla ba experience hore when it comes to the sexual activity ntho ane ha e tsowe. Why understand?
So
Yeah, never a dull moment.
it's okay.
Yo, we did that.
Ke tlo etsa yang?
Eh?
Why understand? As mosadi ke tla be ke mo nka hore, hey, wena Thomas wena o mo tlapa. You understand?
Yo.
I'm not understanding. I'm not learning hore what's going on. Why Thomas is he like this now? Why
Maybe Thomas
understand?
wa cool.
Maybe Thomas might like try to drink this, or maybe let's go to a doctor. I have to be the one that I have to hold his hand. But we don't do that. At the end of the day, Thomas will feel a little less. Thomas will feel hore he's not good enough. He's not a good man.
He's not a man
a
enough.
man enough for me. O tla feletsa be le depression and stuff like that.
Oh, Mama Thomas.
So we have to teach people on how to behave when you o kopana le such kind of a situation.
You know